Hi, I'm Dhyan Blore from Natural Splendour Gardening and Horticulture, and today I'm here to talk about water smart gardening. Water smart gardening is the practice of designing, developing and caring for gardens in a way that minimises water use and keeps plants healthy. One of the overriding principles of water-wise gardening is to use water where it falls by keeping hard surfaces like paving and concreted areas to a minimum. The more pervious surfaces you have in your garden, the more your garden soils will be able to hold rain and irrigation water. Garden beds, gravelled areas and small to moderate areas of lawn are examples of surfaces that allow water to penetrate. Some of the design features that will assist in developing a water smart garden include minimising the area of lawn, since lawns are generally high water users, installing drip ease irrigation to garden beds, providing good wind shelter, grouping plants according to their water needs, and try including dry garden and drought tolerant plant species. Installing water tanks can provide a really valuable water resource during water restrictions. Mulching is one of the most effective things gardeners can do to conserve soil moisture, reduce plant stress and improve the water holding capacity of your soil. We will have a specific video on mulching, so be sure to watch that video for practical how-to info on mulching. So how do we know how and when to water? When water restrictions are not in place or are less restrictive, it's best to water less frequently and for longer duration to encourage deep rooting in plants. This is best for lawns and almost all garden plants. This helps set up your garden for the dry times, as frequent shallow watering encourages shallow rooting plants which will have low drought hardiness. Let's talk about water smart watering systems. Watering systems which place water below the mulch are highly efficient. Now is a good time to replace any aged or damaged irrigation systems with under-mulch systems such as drip ease irrigation. It's very cost effective and easy to install and easy to maintain. Good plant nutrition will help keep plants healthy during dry times. Apply a complete organic slow-release fertiliser such as pelletised poultry manure at the start of spring and autumn, and give liquid seaweed solution to assist with drought tolerance. Native plants in the family Proteaceae, which includes grevilleas, banksias and waratahs, are best suited to low phosphorus fertilisers. During dry times, it's a great time to evaluate the drought hardiness of your plants. Features of drought-hardy plants include foliage that's either hairy, leathery, silver or grey. Small-leaf plants and succulents are often very drought-hardy. Mediterranean plants like rosemary, lavender, sage, thyme, they're all great water-smart plants. Generally speaking, Australian native plants from low and medium rainfall regions will be really good water-smart plants for the Bathurst region.